is not a tough language for those who are studying it seriously. Without English, nothing is possible in this new world. Conquering English is not a tough task for the student of St. Teresa. We have one extra talented student, a consisting top rank holder in every exam for last few years, Nilisa of class 4, to present a short speech in front of us.
Hello.
India is the 7th largest country and most populous democracy in the world. It is located in South Asia and was officially declared as the Republic of India after its independence from the British rule. Let's put one hands together to welcome Nilisa on the stage for a short speech in English on the topic of India, my country.
Director ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. My name is Nilisha from class 4 to give a speech on India, my country. India is a famous country all over the world. Geographically, it is located to the south of the Asia continent. India is a high population country and well protected from all directions naturally. It is famous for its great cultural and traditional values all across the world. It contains a mountain called Himalaya, which is biggest in the world. It is surrounded by 3 big oceans from 3 directions, such as in south with Indian Ocean, in east with Bay of Bengal, and in west with Arabic Sea. India is a democratic country, ranked second for its population. The national language of India is Hindi. However, almost 14 nationally recognized languages are spoken here. Citizens here are very polite and understanding in nature. It was a slave country earlier to the 1947 under the British rule. However, after many years of hard struggle and sacrifice of the great Indian freedom fighter, India got freedom from the British rule in 1947. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India. India is a rich country where great peoples took birth in the field of art, literature and science, such as Rabindranath Tagore, Sara Chandra, Premchand, C.V. Raman, APJ Abdul Kalam, Kabir Das, etc. Such great peoples of India were proud of my country. The great leaders came from village to lead country to go ahead. There are many glorious historical buildings, heritages, monuments, scenic that attracts people's mind from different countries every year. Taj Mahal is a great monument in India and symbol of eternal love, and Kashmir as the heaven on the earth. India is primary land of villages. Almost 80% of its percentage population peoples live and work in countryside, but the villagers are illiterate and not able to catch up with modern science and technology. Now the state government have taken steps for their welfare. Also steps are taken for their welfares like 20-point program. I am proud of my country very much. We should be proud of our country. That's all. Thank you. Jai Hind.
We should love and respect our country. It is our duty to serve our motherland. We should be proud to be Indians. Nilisa, you have taken us to the heights of proud as we are the students of St. Teresa English School, Chandi.